ABC Creative Studio. Today let's make a handmade pop-up card. Materials: prepare 2 pieces of 25 cm by 15 cm size of construction paper. Make a line of 2 cm apart. Fold your paper like this. Get the other one and fold into half. Paste it with glue in both sides. Start to make a heart shape made of a glitter board to design our pop-up card. Time to paste your handmade design depends on what theme or celebration you want. You can print a sticker design on Google and print it in a photo paper to enhance your work. Fold your pop-up card and tie with a ribbon. Paste it with glue gun. Make a design of your own creativity in front of your card. Take a look with our finished artwork. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.